Hi guys, I wanted to make a very quick video. I've been getting some questions around the lighting, and I think it'll be good for me to kind of explain some of these things on video so that it's easier to understand. Again, if you saw pictures on how I did the lighting, and you'll be asking how come, do you have brake light functionality? Can you still control the lights and all that kind of stuff? I just want to quickly show you again that everything works. So right now, before turning on the lights, you can see that this is on a low beam. The back has no lights, but if I press the brake, it works, right? And if I turn on the lights, you can see that the front headlights are turned on and the back lights are on as well, and the brakes still kind of work, right? The brakes still work and the front works, right? Okay, so both the front and back light still works. Okay, now again, to answer some of the questions, right, I kind of put something together, but first of all, I just want to show you guys what I'm using. I bought a pack of 2-pin connectors, male and female. These are 1.25 mm connectors. I'm not sure if you can see it. 1.25 mm connectors. These are still quite large. If you were to buy these, I would highly recommend finding a smaller one, as small as you can. This is, again, to me, I still feel that it's a bit too large. So get small connectors if you can. Now I want to answer the question on the lighting. So I kind of draw something here. I hope it turns out well on camera. Okay, so assuming that this is the PCB board, the Sturmkin PCB board inside. So these are the two front connectors, the original, the two LEDs, the original LEDs that are on the board. Okay, so this is how you should kind of wire it. So you start with a negative point and a positive point. So you solder the black one and then a red one, and then here you solder the red one and a black one. So the combination is positive and negative. A negative and positive will be powering the front. So you can branch this out to two separate LEDs to the front, and here you can branch it out to two separate LEDs on the back. So the way Sturmkin wire these LEDs is they have dual polarities. So in this position, in a positive and negative position, it powers the front lights, and in a positive and negative position, it powers the back lights. Now the back lights will also include the braking light functionality as well. So yeah, all you need to do is follow this diagram, and I will send a picture up in my album. Follow this diagram and you will be able to wire up your lights correctly. Okay, so this is the diagram that you need to follow. Just want to make sure that it's coming out clear on the camera. Okay, so you can branch out to as many LEDs you want on the front, and you can branch out to as many LEDs you want at the back. So this is just how the board kind of looks like. Okay, I hope that answer your questions, and happy trying.